Good morning, guys. Running late, as always. And I just requested a payout from Apex. And I gotta check which account. Just so I don't trade it. Come on. Of course, the website is slow. Okay, 566. All right. I'm gonna go for 36 today. It's been a struggle with 36. Oh. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Happy 420. Let's get high to the gap fill again. Crazy market. So the gap is 836. 1 minute to go for the open. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I sure did. I sure did. We got some more payouts on the line today if I win. Yeah, Austin, it takes forever now. Just don't trade those accounts. That's what I do. Just wait. Let them approve it. If you don't like it, don't trade with Apex. That's all I'm going to tell you. All right. Good luck, guys. Hesitated. Maybe we'll get a good sell-off. I hesitated because of 820. But if we could reject here and go lower. ORB has been so tough. It's been the toughest 6 days now. Do I even take it at this point? Do I even take it at this point? All right, rejected, and we got it. All right, that was worth the wait. That was worth the wait. Of course, it would have been easy 36 ticks, but we got 30. Okay, so I should be able to request more payouts today. I'm checking on my phone. Yep, we'll be able to request 2750 today. Nope. This one I'll be able to request 7,000. What's my balance at 583? I didn't trade 583. Damn it. I've been able to request. Okay, we're going to trade that account today. I just got to flip it. 66 minus 4,600. 2,000. Yeah, I'm not even going to trade that account. It's not worth it. I'm just going to flip it. I mean, we'll see how 80-20 is playing out today, but I think I am not going to touch because that's $2,000 guaranteed. And is it worth risking $2,000 payout for a $750 extra? I don't know. Could be worth it since I'd be probably going live eventually. And then here, okay, another 570. Okay, so this account, I got $8,500 in it. That's going to be requested today. And then this day, this account, this account has a pending payout. Okay. So today I could request 2,750 times 2 plus 2,000, 7,500. So we'll be at $27,000, $28,000 on the month after today, if I get approved, which I don't see why not. A solid month, even though last week was a struggle and we could have blown the accounts a couple of times. Just got to really get back on TPT train so we could get to like 50K months, man. TPT has been my kryptonite right now. But yes, Austin, I have a pending account with Apex and I just didn't trade it today. That's all. Did not trade it. All right, 592 is what we're going to trade. I am so mad that we closed the gap so early. I was hoping we would open around like right here or maybe even here. That'll give us like no room to chase it. But it might be a good short once we close the gap. Today is a members giveaway day. Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Joshua and Miss K, the members in the chat. We will be doing a giveaway for members. Savage. Hope you guys had a good week. And Friday I didn't stream. I had a early round of golf, and I figured if I stream, by the time I say goodbye and all that, it's just not worth it. I was already scrambling to get there on time. It's a pretty good good morning. But the P&L did not I don't know if you guys noticed on Friday, P&L did not reset on Rhythmic accounts from Thursday. Oh. Uh-oh. We froze. Anyone else freeze on Apex? Take profits working. No bueno. But yeah, I played 3 rounds of golf this weekend and celebrated my nephews and niece's birthdays. Got them the quad. So that was fun. Riding the quad all weekend. Missed, it was great. It was really good. It was really good. Got a tan. The weekend just flies by, but this week I start work. This weekend I start work, so I'm working next 3 or 4 Saturdays in a row. All right, we're back on Apex here. I'm also gonna take a long here. Oh, not 3 contracts though. You crazy? How much do I charge as a DJ? Well, the person above you, three names above you, Joey, can tell you because I did his wedding. I hooked him up. On average is around 4,000. You know, it goes up to 6,000 and then drops to 3,000. Joey, I'm working at Seasons again soon. Haven't been there in a while. Come on, market. Need a couple good trades today. That's it. That's all we need. Just the 820 short was the play. But that was at the open, so. Sean, good morning. Yeah, the game, the Buffalo Boston game, I watched the highlights. That was wild. We might do a giveaway for everyone as well today. I'm not sure yet. Because we didn't do one on. Or did we do one on Thursday? Yep, no man's land here. What am I eating? Polish homemade wafer. My sister made it for my nephew's birthday, so just eating that. Should not be eating that for breakfast, but Poland has good donuts, yes. They're just different. Damn, this price is really stuck, man. Really is stuck. Let's see if we close the gap today. It's so cold out again. What the hell? I gotta start working on my grass. Start putting some fertilizer in it and stuff. A lot of work to do around the house. And then I got some news about the garage. Most likely it's a good to go project. Okay, here we need to make like 500 to pass. But well, we might not. Come on. 720 on 420. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Did we pass? We did not pass because I suck. But close enough. Come on, baby. There we go. I know that a couple of my Apex accounts will be at payout today, but they're going to be just a minimum payout. We should probably trade one of those accounts and try to grind another like $500 on it so that way I could request. The crazy thing is with my Apex accounts right now, if I have just a good 5-day streak, I could request a massive payout. Pretty much all of them are at buffer. This has been one of my cleanest runs, knock on wood, with Apex. I've had these accounts since basically beginning of the year. Wow, what a bounce of 720. What a bounce. Damn, what a bounce. Could have definitely Why do I use the 20 every time? Because the market likes to react to 20, I've noticed. Well, I didn't notice. Well, I did notice, but I didn't notice it myself. Our friend Okala trades this, and then I just watched it, and I was like, wow, this actually makes a lot of sense. And you could see 20 here and 20 here. The top and the bottom is 20. It's, I don't know. It just works. But you know what? I'm going to take a short here of 780 as well. Kind of no man's land, but let's see what we could get. Even like 10 points or something. Yeah. What a bounce of 720 though. Insane. Insane. Now, if we retest 820, I might go short, but I feel like we're going to go right for the gap close at this point. That's a big trap for shorts, and it's going to be strong now. I might even rebuy 780s if it pull back. Are legacy accounts taking longer? Yes. Yep. Only the new accounts are like fast approvals. Legacy accounts are on the probably back end, back in the line. Okay, I'm long. See if it holds at all. That is kind of the negative part about like not waiting for the level. Because now like I would have never taken that if I would have taken it on the way up. Now. So I probably would be in anyway. But if that would have continued to go lower, then would have been an unnecessary loss. Let's see. Can we get a bounce here? Now, if we get a bounce here, do I just hold it for highs? Damn, trading one account at a time is so different. Remember, you guys, end of last week, I was trading all my accounts at once. Come on, bounce. Give us a nice bounce. Gonna have to stop out. No bounce. Oh, I have a cross section here. Trying to give it more room, but might be a bad idea. We'll risk 700. Then we buy at 720. I'm gonna start the giveaway for members. Obviously, we're not gonna do it till later, but sometimes members pop in and then they're not here for when we do the giveaway. So I just want to give them a chance to enter when they pop in. Probably gonna do it at like 12 o'clock. Okay, so that 780 level did not work at all. So no short, no long. So that kind of killed the P&L on this account. Not much I could do about it. Just gotta, keep grinding and we'll get it back. But 780 is not the level. Let's go Black Coffee Trader. That's what I like to hear. Now trade it like you were trading the eval. That's all I ask. Don't trade it any different, only because it's funded. Big rejection there. Damn. Was not expecting that at all. Come on, now get down to 720, please. We got a lot of work to do on this account. But if we bounce here, I'm basically screwed. Yep, I am screwed. GCTA, that's only for members today. Mondays is reserved for members only for giveaways. It's a tradition we have here in the chat. Give back to members every week. Damn. Really hope we don't bounce here. But we are going to bounce. You could tell the wicks. Do I get back in? Do I just get back in? I mean, I've literally had the worst possible stop loss. I don't know. Come on, just tank it. Did you not get the account? You sure you didn't get the account? Oh wait, what was the issue? Forget. You can't trade with Apex. Was that the issue? Damn, what a shitty market condition. It is absolutely unbelievable that we have to trade this market. I might have to scalp again. Scalping this market would be great. Maybe I'll scalp a little bit. Kind of bored of just waiting. It's nice to wait, but when it's so obvious that the price is just gonna bounce back and forth, those are the best days to scalp. Old school 10 ticks. What a piece of shit market. I just can't believe that I got stopped out like that. I gave it so much room to stop out and I still got tagged. Whatever. What are you gonna do? Yeah, it's always obvious when you're wrong, right? Right. I feel like it's so obvious when you're on the wrong side. And when it's too late, when it's after the fact. So when I say obvious, it's because I was wrong. But look at all these wicks. I mean, it doesn't get better than that for scalping. All the candles have big wicks. Come on, give me a 720 long again. Damn. Unbelievable. I don't want to chase, but I'm just scalping because it's not my levels. I said I'm gonna scalp. It was like a $150 trade. 2 trades, quick money. Boom. Now we could get a real trade. We could get back to green on the day. A 720 dump or 680. Like now 780 worked. But before it didn't. So that's why I didn't take that 780 short. Another chance to buy there, but I kind of am waiting to see if we could actually go lower. Oh, something's happening. Yeah, we might get 720 now. Nah, I thought I was gonna get it. Come on. Quick bounce. Just a little bit. Nope. Gonna have to take a massive loss here or hope that 720 actually works. Just can't time those little bounces. Damn it. Would have been good. We would have been good had I got filmed there, but it sold. Now if it fails, it's probably gonna dump. Gotta make sure we don't break rules. I have more than $1,500, 30% drawdown, but I'm not gonna risk getting a flag. Come on. Bounced once, you could bounce again. There we go. Take one off. Just can't get that bounce now that I need. Just like I can't get that bounce to get to break even. It just stops right before. Ooh. Oh, I had a chance, didn't I? I had my chance to get out. And I was just blindly looking. Yeah, it's 720 is gold. Should have probably gotten all out, but was hoping that maybe we could get a bounce like this. Could still do it. Got a repair up here. 777. See if we could get there. Nah. It's rejecting. Oh, she's rejecting, unfortunately. I think that would be a pretty nice win right there, though, if I get that. Come on. Don't be teasing. All right, up 360. No, we could get this account back to $500 or get it to 500. That was the goal. It's probably gonna keep going to the 780s, but I'd rather wait for an opportunity. Again, I get pissed when I lose profit. I get a little bit of FOMO when I miss out on the big move, but I definitely get more upset when I don't take profit when I have it. I think that's definitely a bigger issue for me. Well, losing, when you lose on the trade that doesn't give you any chance to win, it's like, all right, you could get over that. But losing on the trade that you were either up on a lot or you get bottom ticked, stopped out, for example, and that sucks. Yep, getting chopped to death. This market. I was hoping for some nice action with yesterday's news, but we got a big gap down and we're right back up. The crazy part is Joey was right. I should have let her ride. We're going right for this repair right here. Right back down she goes. You know what we're doing. I'm buying this thing again. Eventually gonna crack. But we don't care. No fear. gonna start already. Start one. The add. Should have just been patient. Should have just been patient. Going for a big one here, boys. First entry wasn't best, so I got out of that. But hopefully we could get a nice bounce for like 10 points. Or get the 720 fill. Okay, might crack this time. Yep. She cracked. Well, not for much. Not for long. Come on, baby. I'm gonna get like... Ooh, we're up 7. I wanted $500. We're already up 600. 700. Damn. Should have taken that, but we're gonna wait another second. All right, we're gonna take that $765. Oh yeah. Trading one account at a time is so free. $720 has made the day. On 420, $720 has been the level. Made some nice profit. Now, I think I'm going to trade. Can I still trade my... Should I try to pass this? I need $170. Okay. If you guys say to pass, I'll go for it. Oh, we just had it. I just had it, and I was too slow. I was too slow. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to activate some take profit trader accounts. $150K evals. Because I got some free ones. What? Oh no. We are falling apart. Just a little bit more. I don't know how much more I need, so I'm just gonna take some profit. I need $70 more. We'll wait. Doesn't have to be now. Does not have to be now. Dustin, good morning. Make sure you guys enter the giveaway for members. Members today. It's struggling to bounce. If that's what you mean, Dustin. Or Joe, I mean. We just need $70. How many ticks is that? 15. Something like that. Yep. All right, past that. TPT. Okay, we're gonna work on new TPT evals. Damn. She's already bouncing. We're gonna start anyway. We're gonna start. Ooh, Take Profit Trader wants to do a call. Nice. Nice job, Jeffrey, and enjoy the week. I'm pretty much done for the day. I'm just gonna do some evals now on TPT. Apex, I gotta just flip one account and should be able to request $7,500 this week today. I think if my math is all correct. That'll put me at $28,000 in the month. So moving along, solid start to the year. Nothing crazy, nothing like, you know, insane. So just like steady payouts, steady growth. And I think for the peace of mind, that is the best way to trade. Because once you have a big month, it's so hard to accept smaller months. I know it's good to have a great month, but once you have that 50, 60K month, it's so hard to be happy with $10,000 or $15,000 a month. I remember saying last year, I think it was, 20K a month was like a bad month, you know? That's like terrible to say. So having steady months is pretty cool. This is just an eval, so I'm going to be very aggressive. Whoa. She's going. Damn. We are falling apart here, chat. $680 is going to be our level for this eval to survive. You take a week off after a good month. I don't need to take time off because I feel like, well, I don't have family and stuff, so it's different. I would just not have, like, I have stuff to do, but, I'll finish trading at like 12:30, 1 o'clock, and then go work on stuff around the house. Good thing this is on an eval. Got very lucky with the Apex account. Really have not been trading TPT well as of late. $720 might become resistance now, which is right where our entry is. Average. Yeah, Jeffrey, if it's enough money and whatnot, then might as well enjoy. I feel the same with DJing. Like I want to take a break from DJing. That's why I have not worked a lot. I got a wedding this weekend and I kind of feel weird. Like I'm like so out of it. And I got the new van. I never like prepared it. Like I never put the rails in to hold the equipment, so it's a pain in the ass to pack it, and it's just like all this time I had time off and I didn't do it. Dun, 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 dun. To Cali, no. I've been to Cali, but not to DJ. I've DJ'd in New Jersey, New York, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Virginia, Delaware. That might be it. Damn, how do I get missed on that? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, Market? Oh, what a. If I got filled there, guys, we would have been laughing right now. And then I've been to Bahamas, I've been to Mexico, and I've been to DR to DJ weddings. Oh, nice, Matthew. Congrats. Damn, that was a terrible ad. This event might be cooked. Come on. Come on, NQ. Give us a nice bounce. No consistency rule, TBD. There is 50%. But 50% is still $4,500. So long ways to go. If I can make 2,000-3,000, I'll be very happy. That would be like very nice on first day. I mean, if I got that 680 fill, we would have been up quite a lot here. For now, we're just going to wait. Like I said, 720 is going to be a pain to get through now. Should have probably sold one. But did I get your email? Yeah, about the TradeZilla. Yeah. I have a friend that kind of built an app. He built an app for expense tracking, but I don't know. I just don't really want to know. Like, who cares? As long as I'm not. Well, this eval is done. Let's see how much we could lose. 8,000. Jesus. Well, we're going to try one more. These are free evals, by the way. These are free, so don't worry about that. I could reset them for $100. That's what I might do. Well, I have to calculate it at the end of the year, right, for taxes. But I'd rather know at the end of the year. Because at the end of the year, I know how much money I have. So I want my expenses to be as high as possible. Because the higher my expenses are, the less taxes I got to pay. So it's a mental trick. Like this month, after today, I'm gonna be at like $28,000 in payouts. Whether I spend $5,000 or $1,000 or $7,000 on funded, it does not matter. I know what my bank account looks like. I know I'm making money, right? So it's like at the end of the year, I want that number to be as high as possible. When I lived in Germany, I would go buy a new computer and stuff. Yeah. I mean, I bought a new van. You know, I buy a lot of stuff too and write a lot of stuff off. You know, you could write off your home taxes. There's, you know, home interest rate. All that stuff is deductible. So it's, but I'm just saying on evals, like right now, I would want to not, you know, not spend any money on evals if I could. But then at the end of the year, I'll be like, oh, that sucks. Can't write anything off. Yes, there is a consistency for evals only, which is what I'm trading. Damn it. I don't know what this news was, or maybe that wasn't news. Maybe that was just a dumpage sell off. I don't think that was news, but kind of aggressive. But you guys could see how TPT lags. I mean, my drawdown was $4,500. I lost 8.8 thousand. It just lags so much on TPT when there's a lot of volatility. Ceasefire renewal is unlikely. Okay. Is my PS5 Pro a tax deduction? Yeah, because you watch this, you know, you watch the ICT streams on your PS5 and you make your money trading from ICT concepts, and that's, you know, tax deduction right there. Boom. Easy. Tell them that ICT streams on PS5. servers, and that's it. Come on, let me just get out. Yeah. Honestly, you could probably deduct a PS5 because you could watch markets on it. Like, it's only $500 though, so it's not really like, it's not like you're writing off $50,000. It's a piece of electronics, you know. You're gonna have a Best Buy receipt, you know. It's like buying a computer. It's the same thing. It basically is a computer, and we need computers to trade. I said nothing. I said nothing about PS5. Talk to your guys' accountants, guys. Don't do taxes on your own. If you do taxes on your own, you're just foolish. If you do your own taxes, you're just foolish. Nutty does his own taxes? No way. I don't believe that. Nutty used to own a business, so I don't know how he would do taxes on his own. How come foolish? Because my accountant saves me a lot of money. My accountant saves me a lot of money. But I have a really good accountant, so I guess if you have a shitty accountant, then it's not good. If you have someone that's young or new, they're going to be terrible. I mean, taxes are pretty simple. It's just how much can you bend how much can you bend the code? The tax code is written for you to spend money. Right? That's what they want. That's why there's deductions. They'll get their piece no matter what. Whether it's from you or from someone else. If you spent the money, someone else is paying the taxes. Not you, someone else. Whoever you bought the stuff from. If you don't have too much unique taxable events during the year, yes. If you're like a W-2 employee, then it's pretty simple. You said the CPA was too expensive? I pay like $250. But yeah, taxes are personal, so it's like you do. For me, the lucky thing is I have my DJ business, so everything gets combined, and there's a lot of deductions. Come on, market, just go up. I don't want to fail 2 take profit trader evals. Dun, dun.
Looks like I picked. Okay, no, okay. Eats.
Oh, market's not doing what I want. Yeah, I'm doom scrolling. People sending me stuff. And we have 15 members already in today. If I lose this eval, this might be it for the day. I'll reset them and I'll just flip them just to count as a day, but I clearly got the day wrong. Was not expecting this dump. Came out of nowhere. Do have a lot of support here though. Let's just go for it, guys. Maybe we could get the 620 to bounce. We're 7 contracts deep. No bounce. She ain't bouncing. Well, free evals are gone. Well, I have one more, but I gotta reset these for $100. Still pretty cheap. That's the benefit of being an affiliate with TPT. You get some free evals. So you could be a little bit more careless with them. Not careless, but more aggressive. I'm sure other prop firms do this too. It's just probably got to ask and beg them versus TPT is automatic. Yeah, fuck this market. It's selling off. All right, that's gonna be it for me for the day. I will flip. I gotta reset these, and then I will flip all 3 of them, and we'll try again. Maybe if it like sells off really fast or something, but TPT 343. Oh, I can't even reset them till tomorrow. Forgot about that. I'm an idiot. Can't reset them till they're actually blown on the website. I have one more. Damn, what a sell off here, huh? How many resets for one account? As many as you want. As many as you want. The free account lasts 60 days. That's how long I have to pass it. So every time I want to trade it, until I pass it, and then let's say I fail, it would cost me $100 to reset. So it's not bad. It's basically a 150K account for the price of 50K. And also that same thing applies to everyone. So if you buy a 150K account with take profit and you spend $200, every time you fail that account, now it's only $100 to trade that 150K. So if, let's say you're trading take profit trader and you're trying to pass 150K accounts, do not buy multiple 150K accounts. You could always reset the ones you've blown, and that's cheaper. We're going to be doing a members giveaway at 11:30. My day is done, I think. I just had a terrible read on the market here in the second half of the morning. Blue 2 take profit trader evals. Obviously, if I was trading them as funded, I would have used stops, so it wouldn't have happened like that. But I I was also up a lot. I was up like 2,500 on one of them. So that also would have been taken as a profit. So just one of those things. But ORB was good today, and that's what matters. Once ORB is good, we are good. Keep in mind the monthly fee renews. Oh yeah, it's true. I'm talking about like instant, like what I just did now. Kind of bought the account, failed it. So it's better to reset now than it is to buy a new one. What a market. How long does the payout this how long does the payout, or when does the payout hit the bank? They approved on the 15th. Not sure. I could check for you, kind of. You're talking about Apex? Let me see. Okay, I got paid from Apex on the 15th or 16th. The 16th. I got paid on the 15th and 16th. And my payouts. I got approved on the 8th and 9th. So I got paid on the 15th and 16th. I got approved on the 8th and 9th. So that gives you kind of an idea. I got approved on 8th and 9th, and I got paid on the 15th and 16th. That's when I got the money in the bank. Okay, just booked the tea time for Friday. Up 2,600 on TPT on day one. What accounts? 150? And are you trying to get them to a payout today? Yeah, it's very volatile now. I kind of messed myself up. 580 was nice. But damn, 580 was nice. Fuck. Did not have that. Damn it. What a bounce. Yeah, I got caught in that candle too. I blew 2 take profit trader evals. Damn it. That was the bounce right there. Fucking A. Always got to just go to the next level. Always got to wait for the next level and not be afraid of it. And not be afraid of it because I'm gonna short here, but just this is more like a flip. So if I'm up like $300, I'll take it. Yeah, I'll take that $300 just to flip. Fortunately, did not trade well on the 2 other accounts, so I'm not gonna pass one today. But TPT has been really bad for me. I gotta just slow it down and not force it. I've taken my long ass time with Apex to get to, threshold. Why do I want to do it so fast with TPT? Like, just take your time. Once you get to the buffer, then the money comes in. Always want to make money on the first 2 days on TPT. How am I doing? Doing great. Jeffrey, I thought you were off. I thought you were taking a break. What are you doing in front of the screens, my friend? Yeah, this bounce is unbelievable. Of course, if I would have just bought the 580s on this account, we would have freaking made half of it and we will be happy. But no, got scared. Market is volatile for sure. All right, guys, 11:30 we'll do a giveaway for members. Just so you guys could take advantage of this volatility. The last call for members. Last call for the members. But yeah, I should be good to go with my garage. Got some good news yesterday, so hopefully could start the construction in the next month or so. Oh, maybe 2 months would be great. It would be great. Wow, what a volatile market right now. Beautiful. Kind of makes me want to trade them more. I have a bull Nox eval I could try to pass. I don't know. I feel out of sync. I missed that the 580 and then just been bad since. All right, members, you guys ready? Looks like all the members are in. I'm gonna take you guys into a race. All right, so we got the members in. I'll put Tim. Tim's busy. Alrighty. Got my headset in. Everyone's in. Or Jeffrey, you want to participate? Definitely spelled your name wrong. Alrighty. We're running it. 2 minutes on the clock. Golfy's here somewhere. All right, guys. Good luck.
Off we go racing. Happy 420 from Golfy. My name is Golfy and we run the giveaways here at the channel. Today is Monday. Members Monday. Every Monday we give back to the members of the channel. They get to participate in a giveaway only for members. Today we have an Apex evaluation on the line. We got, I forgot how many cars. I think it's like 17 cars or 18 cars. Everyone's in. Everyone's racing. Let's see what we got. We got Tim in a 911. Miss K in a black 911. Let's go, Miss K. Alrighty, let's see. We got 1 minute to go. We're halfway there. Let's keep it rolling. Everyone keep it safe. Don't crash. It's not good. I don't know if you guys saw the crash this weekend. Rest in peace to the driver. Alright, 30 seconds to go. They're ready. They're ready to hit that boost. Look at them. Look at them inching forward. Not going too fast just yet. But here they go. Oh, yeah. That boost on that Bugatti W16 engine. 10 seconds. Oh my goodness. No one is in the lead. Our second newest member is going to win. Primordial. I don't even know how to say your name. Esoteric. Something. He just joined last week and he already wins. Would you look at that? Thank you for joining. And good luck next week, members. I'll see you guys later this week. Bye-bye.
Alrighty. Congrats to a new member. See, it's worth joining sometimes. There's some members that have been members and never won. I feel bad. Luminary, I am going to send that eval to you, but what I need is for you to just email me so I know where to send it. Yeah, that 580 bounce. What a bounce. Over 100 points. Damn. I will see you, Jeffrey, this week. I can bet on that. PlayStation is not going to be that fun. Trading is just an hour a day. You're going to be back. But nicely done today. Great job. Oh, wait. This person has been a member before. You just changed your name? Luminary, can you just include your screenshot or tell me that you've emailed me? Just say in the chat that you emailed me. Actually, you have the same image. But you were a member before. You just have a different YouTube name. I know you. I thought you were a new viewer. See, that's what I hate about YouTube nowadays. Do 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 do. And this is a code for any size eval. Congrats. I just sent you the code. Oh man, probably gonna call it a day unless something else happens. But at 12, I'm gonna call it a day, and maybe I'll go cut my grass. My landscaper hasn't come yet. I don't know when they're coming. Might go do manual labor. The market just died. It went crazy volatile for like 30 minutes and then just died. It's like we gotta wait for news every time. I'm still mad I didn't buy that 580 out of fear. Let me flip that Apex account before I forget. Before I forget. It's a very important flip. Any profit I make on this flip, I get to take. Oh man, I really want to be funded with TPT. Maybe I should use the payouts from Apex to reset my TPT accounts. Mm-hmm. Sorry, guys. I think I'm checked out for the day. All right, we're getting a pullback. Maybe I'll take one more trade. Oh, trader in development. You missed the giveaway today. Yeah, I watched the highlights. I got 2 text messages about it. So I was like, oh. I was at my parents' house. We played golf till sunset, which was around 7:45. So we played a round of golf at 5, I think. That's when the sun came out. It was cold. Yesterday was like a winter day. Yeah, Tim, I'm live, and then I gotta clean my garage a little bit before we play. My garage is a mess. So I unloaded the van for the quad. And then I got to warm up a little bit because yesterday I didn't warm up and I couldn't hit the ball. Well, we could do stroke play today. There's no point of doing a scramble right now since your tees are way longer than mine. And you're so consistent. If you are not consistent, then scramble will be fun. In the sense where like I could help, but I think we could do stroke play, and I think that would be pretty fun still. As long as we don't do like if we do the same courses yesterday, those same tees, I think I'll be fine. But we'll see. Maybe today I could hit my 3 wood or 3 hybrid. But if we do stroke play, I need like 6 strokes. That eagle was crazy, dude. I was like, yep, I'm not even hitting the ball after that. That was amazing. Did my price just freeze? No. Barely moving. But yeah, I passed one take profit trader, but the 50K. I need to pass 150K. That is the difference. The 50Ks, I feel like I just blow them way too fast. I wish I bought that low 580s, man. Still have regrets. Short 80 or what? No, long 80. Right here. I just got discouraged because I got destroyed right here. I mean, I was long here at 620 on one TPT account, and then I was up quite nicely, and I just never sold. Got greedy. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Market's dead, and I got a bunch of stuff to do. I gotta clean my garage. I gotta do laundry because my mom's coming over, so I gotta start the laundry, and then I gotta send insurance for the weekend for gigs, bunch of stuff. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for another hopefully green day. Happy 420, guys. Don't do anything you shouldn't be doing. Later, guys.